Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. I want to tell you about something great. The question is that everybody have, it, does pay viewpoint really pays? Yes, it really pays. You could get PayPal cash, which you could sign up for paypal.com and get your account, which is free, and get that PayPal cash, which is just like cash money. Or you could get the wonderful gift cards that they offer. All you have to do is sign up. It's free to join. And not just that, you look, it's free to join and you take short surveys in minutes. Wow, right? What a great way. And if you are from the US and Canada, this is a wonderful site for you. Yes, it is. And another question you have, how often do you get surveys with PayView Point? Well, you do not have to wait to receive email to get the surveys. Yes, you do not have to wait. What you could do is you could log on and see if they have any available. That's simple. Plus, also, you could earn up to $25 per referral. Yes, that's right, up to $25 per referral. So, look, first of all, it pays cash through PayPal. Then you can get gift cards. It's free to join, we know that. And taking a short surveys in minutes. And look at my lifetime earnings with them. Wow, right? And just like taking my time in my spare time and just making money here and there. But it really adds up. The link is below. Get started. Free merchandise lady want to help you make money or get those free gift cards. In minutes, you could do this. If I could do it, you could do it.